How long have you two known each other?
Since high school.
Since high school. We used to throw, parties.
No, I don't
Yeah.
know. Why don't you elaborate?
We call them Colatech parties. The specialized high schools, Stuyve, Bronx Science, Brooklyn Tech. We would get everyone together, and Mike was my DJ.
So you were a DJ? What was that about? You trying to get dates, or was
No.
it life passion, or what?
It was definitely a life passion, but
What happened to that? Traded it in for a brisket.
yeah, basically. My parents wanted me to get a real career.
Well, it was all about immigrant parents wanting their children, right? That's the whole reason why they came over, is to provide us with a better education and just a better quality of life.
You ignored all of that, both of you.
Well, I think we did pretty well because all the stars aligned. We're sitting here with you.
Yes.
So this is a pot roast?
No, this is actually a brisket. What we do here is that we cut it with the grain, and then we put them together with meat glue.
You meat glue the two pieces of brisket together.
Right.
Let's press pause for a second and discuss the noble brisket, shall we?
Sure.
This is all that tough underbelly stuff, what I call below the cow Mason-Dixon line, that worked really hard to hold up the animal so it's tough, but it's loaded with flavor. So they take the lean part and the fat part, split them, and stack them, and roll them, and glue them together with meat glue, making it essentially, it's like putting a fantastic wig on a very bald person. So this is a modern Korean barbecue concept, meat gluing brisket halves together.
Exactly that.
And look at that, it's almost like brisket pancetta.
You want to try and slice it?
Yeah, sure. Oh, I see.
You got to catch it as it curls out.
Uh-huh.
Sure. The miracle is...
Crushed it. What a spread we have in front of us. What are we doing?
We're gonna eat Korean barbecue.
So what's traditional?
Basically, the cucumber
fat.
pickles.
Okay.
The kimchi, of course.
kimchi.
That's always gonna be on every Korean table.
And then
The meat.
the star of the show.
Yep.
So what do we do?
So we're gonna grill it. Instead of traditional American barbecue where brisket has to be cooked low and slow, we do it high heat and fast.
Korean barbecue has become part of what we call American barbecue. I don't mean it's no longer its own entity, but I think this is really something, I mean, we Americans just love. So who is coming here?
Mostly non-Asians, mostly non-Koreans, yeah.
Are you upset about that?
No, it's just that Koreatown's changing so much. It's not only become a place where Koreans used to come and party, and we still do after hours, but it's actually a different demographic of people.
Koreatown's been that one-stop shop. 95% of Koreatown is on that one block, 32nd Street. And you can get your nails done, get your hair done, drink,
Eyelashes.
dinner, eyelashes, karaoke.
Barbecue, manicure, eyelashes. I mean, that's
Barbecue.
pretty much my to-do list every day.
And I guess we're just catering to the times.
All right, so how do I eat this the right way?
There is no right way. You just grab your meat and you can either put it in the sauce that we gave you, or you could put a little bit of that samjang. So pick anything else you want. You want to put a piece of kimchi or you want a piece of pickle?
I'm copying you.
You know?
And then what? Like, let's just get in there.
Why not? Get in there.
Wow.
We need napkins for her.
And I don't care.
This is kaibi. 99% of everybody that's Korean barbecuing is having kaibi. And this is the short rib that's marinated.
Do people from other restaurants on this block try to come in and figure out what's in your marinade?
Of course, yes, but
Give me a
everybody has
fight.
their own,
Everyone tries.
You're
but-
from Brooklyn, right?
Yeah.
All right, so no one's getting his recipe.
It's funny that you say that because this restaurant, my dad's friend, they made me wrestle to get this restaurant.
How did that
on
go?
national TV.
Is there
They're like,
video of you wrestling on national TV?
No.
We've been watching him wrestle since he started doing it in high school. He's the only kid
I
though.
was the only kid who learned it, and it was because my father taught me that pastime. And this was like the gift that he gave back.
So a nightlife promoter, wrestler, and a DJ slash chef. And
Yep.
this is what we get?
This is what you get.
I'll take it.